Kuduma kilomkhaya. Imindeni izilele ukubulawa kwamadoda amathathu asematsha ngeminyaka yobudala. Hlangana nabo kubalwa nobeka ikhansela likamasipalata weMkhondo. Namhlanje emphathiswa zamapholisa weMpumalanga ziveza ukuthi kubotshwe Umsolwa wesithathu. Imindeni yabongazimbi yamukele ukubotshwa kwakhe.
We as the family would also like for the police to still do the investigation and find the perpetrators responsible for our brother's death.
According to my knowledge, the cases to my uncles are not related because I think if it was related to our family case, an investigating officer would have come and updated us.
Umsolwa obotshwe koqalene necala lokubulala.
The community has assisted so much in the gathering of information with the police and working with the premier, with the community and all other role players that were in assistance in the arrest of this suspect. We are certain that in no time we are expecting some more arrests in this case.
I-ANC izihlabe ngamagama abukhali izenzo zokubulalana kubangwa zepolitiki.
There will never be lawlessness tolerated, terrorizing of communities and political killings. They will be nipped in the bud. And I think that is the spirit going forward, that these political killings will only be ended by apprehending the kingpins.
Umsolwa wesithathu ulindeleke ukuthi avele khotho kusasa.